you guys. I just got to this next pickup. It's 11:59. I had till 1 o'clock to be here, so I made it just in time. The last delivery, I got there like around 6:30. They didn't get me into the door to about 10:30. So I was kind of worried. That I wouldn't be here in time because it was a guy in front of me too. So that ordeal was they get their people out the door first, which I don't know who made that delivery, but I'm not finna go into that. I'm happy I got unloaded. I'm happy I got unloaded. I'm here on time. This load is going to Burley, Idaho, so it delivers tomorrow. Fun fact, well, probably not a fun fact, but with this load, you have to have your tanker endorsement because you're getting those liquid bins. So I've been here for about 10 minutes. They already started loading me. The guy moving super fast. You can tell because the truck is shaking, but I should be out here in no time. So I'm gonna wait till you get done loading me. I'm gonna give him this paperwork and we gonna head to Idaho.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we pulling out this delivery. With this load, with them liquid bins, between getting loaded and getting unloaded, this is the fastest I've been loaded and unloaded since I've been OTR driving. They literally got me in and out within 10 minutes at both spots. That's crazy. I wish every delivery was like that. But right now we leaving Burley, Idaho. I gotta drive back to Nampa to pick up my load going down to Tucson. But I'm gonna stop at the house for the day in Vegas. Try to get some work done on my truck. I need brakes. I need an oil change as well. So I'm overly due for that. But about to hit this highway. I gotta stop and get gas. And I'll check back in when we get to the pickup. Alright guys, so we just got done getting this trailer loaded. Man, it was a whole workout. Had to stack the freight and then put the freight inside the trailer. I am tired, but that was my workout for the day. The original, this the story with this load. I was told to call this receiver when I'm an hour out. I did that. The guy said he had a few guys out during the week and the load won't be ready till tomorrow. So I had to call the broker to let him know what's going on. Let the broker know that I couldn't wait an extra day because I already got loads booked after this. So me standing up here another day would force me to cancel all the loads that I got booked up. So I couldn't let that do it. So he made a phone call. Then a few minutes later, he called me back saying, if you're willing to wait, they'll have you loaded by 3. I'm like, okay, cool, I could do that. I could wait. So I pulled up here around 11:15. I noticed there's only 2 guys working. So I'm like, hey, if you guys need help, I can help. I don't mind helping to speed things up. So that's exactly what I did. So I helped stack the freight. I think 22 pallets. And then I had to, they used a forklift to put the pallets in the trailer, and I just had to use the forklift to spin it around and then to line everything up. So we got that done. Now I'm just finna run and get scales, make sure that I'm good on my axles, make sure I'm not overweight. Don't need no tickets. So about to run and get that, then we're gonna head down and get this load delivered. This load's going down there to Tucson. I'm gonna stop at home for the day because it's not due to Saturday. It's Thursday. Yeah, that's the plan. So I'm finna run and get. I already got fuel. I'm finna go get scaled. Then we gonna head down home, and then home to delivery. I thought my phone was recording, but it wasn't. But made it here to this plant. They said I gotta put on blue jeans, put on some boots, or I had glasses and a vest just to enter this place. All I had on me today was some shorts and some tennis shoes. But I'm glad I keep extra clothes in my truck for cases like this. But I gotta call, I guess, the plant guy that I was supposed to call him to let him know that I'm here, so he can come down and get me before I can be escorted in. And then I gotta watch a 7-minute video just for training. This is my first time ever been to a plant, so I didn't know it was. It is. It's my first time ever delivering to a plant like this, so I didn't know it come with all this. But now I know to be prepared for next time. So, but I'm about to walk back in there, watch this video, call the guy to let them know I'm here, and we're gonna get escorted to the plant before we try to get unloaded. Okay.
Jet 79 have a dipper in there. And that's just super hard. Jet 79 Joe, you copy that? Yeah, definitely. Hey, don't fix first bucket or anything. I'll just figure it out right now. Around next 7 was around that right there. Well, I think you can do this at a certain. Hey, what's your name still? Yeah, come on and do the safe photo. And your right turn at 43. Yeah, Cat 103 dispatch. Go ahead and head to the 408. Anything there that's right there if you want. Handball.
Okay.
As you see, you already saw one.
Yeah.
That's a baby.
So we going this one, right?
Yeah, so when you're gonna look around and go wide,
Okay.
you have the left-hand side right here.
Okay. really got us climbing this hill. Like, the first hill was 10% incline. The second hill that we climbed was 16%. And I'm 45,000 pounds in the box. I'm 80,000 gross. So my shifting may be off. Not maybe. It was off. I was scratching, man. And then we on gravel too, so. Man. But the good old Cummins getting it done. She getting it done. Gotta do this wide turn. Looks like we made it here. My depth light just came on. If I see what, I'm plug this in, see what that's about. I've been having a lot of depth issues lately. I want to delete this truck so bad. I just want to not ever buy a truck. Well, not ever buy an emissions truck. Free emissions from here on out, because I don't like dealing with this depth crap, man. So yeah, we here. I guess we finna just wait till we get unloaded and see how long this takes. Guys, it's been a little over just about 3 hours. I'm still just sitting up here top of the hill. Give me walkie-talkie. I'm getting ready to call and check in to see what's going on. Like I said, I got that 2 p.m. pickup in Phoenix. That's an hour and a half, 2 hours from where I'm at. It's currently 10:30. I have to be there at 2. So I can't miss that delivery, because that if I had to cancel that delivery, it messed up my whole next week. I mean, I have to cancel all those loads. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to do that. Yeah, I'm really up here by myself on top of this mine. Like, when I called on the radio, they said they had somebody up here within an hour. That was 30 minutes ago. And then you got all these rattlesnakes on the grass. That's all I'm hearing is rattlesnakes the whole time I'm up here. But I'm just up here by myself, waiting to get that off the truck so I could haul ass back to Phoenix. Trying to make that appointment by 2. They said they said they gonna try to have me out by 12. It's currently 11:09. I've been here since 7:14. I've been up here since about 8. They said a couple hours. Well, it's been past a couple hours already. Man, I'm just ready to get up out of here now at this point. I'm just up here by myself on top of this mine. It literally took about 20 minutes to get up here too. Where I said we stopped at, there,
Dwayne, you want me to drop my GPL off in your truck or take it up with me?
that was for the last guy. I had to keep going like additional 10 minutes.
You just throw it on the desk when you get up there. There's no how many holes you got.
But I'm just waiting,
All right, there's 10 holes.
just waiting to get unloaded. Well, guys, we did leave the delivery after about 5 hours. I did in fact miss that delivery, but now I'm dealing with this now. And I'm always having a death issue, man. I'm just ready to delete this thing. I'm 6 hours away from home. I'm gonna try and pull over and do a regen. If not, I'll probably have to leave the truck somewhere in Phoenix. I don't want to do that, but I'd rather limp it home. But I'm trying to limit my options. Let me not say that. I'm trying to see what the best option is. I want to take it home if I can have my mechanic touch it, because he actually know what's going on, and I won't pay as more compared to if I take the Phoenix. I gotta pay what that person want, because I'm pretty much at their mercy. So I'm gonna try to limp it home. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna pull over when I get more space and do a regen and see what that does. If that prevents me from going into D-rate mode, that's what I'm gonna do until I make it home and drop the truck off to my mechanic for we can see what we can do. But this most likely gonna be the end of the video. I'll update you guys in the next video on what happened and what we did. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.